My name is Christian Garcia. I am an electrical engineering student with emphasis in computer engineering. I am a senior at Cal State LA. So I'm located in Mid-City. I've lived here almost all my life. I transferred from Alexander Hamilton High School to West LA City, Community College. And I went to most of the schools in LACCD in the district of Los Angeles Community College, including Trade Tech and LACC. And then I transferred into Cal State LA. I chose Cal State LA because it was one of the choices from commuter schools that I could choose from because I wanted to stay local. I noticed that it was one of the most affordable ones compared to the other options that I had available in terms of travel and tuition itself as well. And I was offered more financial aid in this option compared to the other ones. Eventually, my career goal would be to have my own business. So working in the industry right now, I would be acquiring as much experience and as much knowledge as I can with everything that has to do with engineering, the business side of it and also the technical side of it, which will eventually help me come up with my own business that I will end up running. So the organizations are on campus that I participated in are basically what I have to thank for the experiences and opportunities I've been able to get. I first transferred in to Cal State LA in 2017, which I found out about Baja SAE, which is an engineering club which builds an off-road buggy, and I was doing the electrical for that club. And then I did that for about 2 years when then I transferred I switched over to Formula SAE, also doing the electrical components for a Formula One style vehicle that basically the students engineer from ground up. And I also participated in chess, which allowed me to go to conferences, which is where I was able to meet my current employer, the manager for my current employer who brought me on board because of that conference. A person that made a very heavy impact in my whole career as a student in Cal State LA has been a faculty member, full-time faculty member named John Christopher Bachman. He basically got hired, I think, a year before I transferred in. And he has been part of the SAE design series teams in Cal State LA. And by far, he has been one of the most influential, one of the most motivating people that have pushed me from being just a simple member and just doing average tasks to basically running the team at the end of these last couple years. So if it wasn't for Dr. Bachman, I don't think I would be where I'm at right now. Some of the favorite things that I had about Cal State LA are definitely the ambience, the way that it's a commuter school. It brings in a lot of diversity. And I've met so many people with different disciplines that we can all relate to one thing or another because we all, one, live in LA. Until we're going to school, we know it's tough. Everybody knows it's tough, but if we push through it, it just it ends up paying out. And everybody knows that everybody can help with that encouragement because at the end of the day, we all know that we're all struggling. So that little community that is built in Cal State LA is just one of the things that is unmatched anywhere else.